How to turn on or turn off cellular data roaming on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. Next, make sure you turn on Cellular and then go down and tap on Cellular Data Options. And at the top here, tap on Data Roaming. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off data roaming. Now it is recommended that you keep this option off, only turn on when you need to use it, such as when going overseas, because when you are roaming your data, it can cost quite a lot of money to use data outside of your local network. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.